In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for summarizing text 2026 full guide. If you're overwhelmed by long articles, sprawling PDFs, and never-ending meeting notes, this is for you. Instead of skimming for hours, you can guide ChatGPT to deliver precise, reliable summaries in seconds. The key is structure. Rather than dropping a giant block of text and saying summarize, set clear boundaries. Paste your text and use a directive like act as an elite executive assistant, summarize the following text block, strip out all fluff, unnecessary tangents, and repetitive examples. Provide the output using a clean markdown hierarchy with a bolded title, a 3-sentence executive overview, and a bulleted list of the core takeaways. This tells the model exactly what good looks like. If your source is very long, paste it in manageable chunks, use the same prompt each time, and then ask ChatGPT to merge the partial summaries into one cohesive result. When you only care about a specific angle, ask for an aspect-based summary. This is perfect for roles and priorities. Try, analyze this document. I only want you to extract and summarize aspects that relate directly to technical requirements, project deadlines, and financial costs. Ignore everything else. You can swap those aspects for what matters to you, like user impact, compliance risks, or stakeholder decisions. Narrow focus saves time and improves accuracy. Messy audio or video transcripts are another common pain point. Filler words, tangents, and interruptions make them hard to scan. Paste the transcript and say, clean up and summarize this messy transcript. Convert the conversational banter into structured, professional bullet points and create a dedicated section at the bottom listing all explicit action items and deadlines mentioned. You'll instantly turn chaos into clarity, with responsibilities and due dates surfaced where you can act on them. For dense research papers or technical white papers, simplify without dumbing down. Use the ELI5 approach. Summarize this research paper, break down the core hypothesis, the testing methodology, and the final conclusion. Use simple, non-technical language and provide a clear analogy to explain the real-world impact of the findings. This keeps rigor intact while making the insights accessible to any audience. Finally, control length to fit your workflow. If you need a tight abstract for notes or briefings, say, take the summary we just generated and compress it even further. Give me a hyperdense single-paragraph abstract that captures everything critical in exactly 150 words or less, ensuring it is highly scannable at a glance. You can also request multiple lengths. For example, a 1-sentence headline and a short paragraph so you always have the right level of detail. Deploy these prompts and you'll turn information overload into clear, actionable insight. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.